All right, guys. So today we're going to go over slope intercept form and standard form for finding slope. Okay, please make sure that you follow along carefully, take good notes. This shouldn't be too hard for you today. Okay, so you're going to be doing this on March 28th. Algebra. Okay, so linear equations are frequently written in slope-intercept form, which is going to be y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the, my pen will come back to me for a second, y-intercept. Okay, so the directions in the examples say, given the slope and the y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we're kind of building up. Okay, this first part is it's already given you the slope, it's already given you the y-intercept. All we need to do is put them in the correct form, okay, which will just be a nice linear equation. So if we have our slope as 2, then m will be replaced. Sorry, my pen disappeared again. There we go, 2m, and then, sorry, not 2m, pen got me distracted. 2x, okay, 2 is the m, which is our slope, and then the y-intercept is a -1, will be -1. So y equals 2x minus 1 is your linear equation for that line. If we look at number 2, same thing, we have y equals, m is -3/5, so we have -3/5 m plus 4, because our y-intercept is going to be 4. Okay, just try and fill out the rest of this chart real quick, so you can hit pause and then press play whenever you're ready. Okay, there's that section. So this next section, okay, is when you've been given a graph. So we have in the directions, it says identify the slope and y-intercept of the line on the graph, then write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So you're going to be identifying the slope, just like we did the last lesson or two, okay, where you're just using the line. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's my rise over 1, which is my run. My b is going to be the y-intercept, so that is where the line, where the line crosses the y-intercept. Okay, so if we look, it's crossing right there, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it crosses the y at -4. So your slope-intercept form is going to be y equals 3x minus 4. Okay? We'll go ahead and do number 8 together as well. Okay, so we're going to find the slope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4 over -4, which is going to be -3 over 2. The y-intercept is going to be right here, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, +7. So the equation is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 7. Okay? So on your second page, okay, hold on just a second. Where'd it go? There we go. Disappeared on me. Okay. So on this page, let's say you only need to go through and do the odds. Okay? So 9, 11, 13, 15. So you can pause right now, and then once you get them, unpause and you can check your answers. Okay, so there's those answers again, so you can check yourself. Okay, now we're just moving on to standard form. Okay, so standard form is a little bit different. You're going to have the equation written out in this form. Okay, so you'll have ax plus by equals c. Okay, so you can convert this into slope intercept form. Okay, and the way that you do that is just by solving for y. Okay, so we're just trying to get y all by itself on one side of the equal sign. Okay, so if we look at number 1, okay, I'm going to identify my variable as y. It's on the left side of the equation. Okay, then again, you want to go through your steps of solving. So what operation is being done? It's being added by 2x. So we'll do the opposite. So we'll subtract 2x from both sides. Subtract 2x, subtract 2x. Bring the y down. It's going to be y equals 2x's cancel out over here. And now I have negative 2x plus 3. Boom, you're done. Okay, it's not bad at all. It gets it'll get a slightly more difficult than that, but that is the idea in the process. Okay, so let's look at number 2. So again, we're just solving for y. Okay. Oh well, hold on, just a second. So that's the slope-intercept form. You want to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, the slope is negative 2. The y-intercept is going to be 3. Okay, so make sure you get you should have 3 total answers for each problem. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. Okay, number 2, identify the variable. Y is on the left side. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Okay, 4x to 4x. I'm going to bring down a 5y. 4x's cancel out on the left. I'm left with negative 4x minus 30. Sorry, I had to let my dog outside. Okay, now we have 5y on the left side. We need to get rid of the 5. Okay, so you got to ask yourself, what is the 5 doing to the y? They're being multiplied, so I need to divide. I'm going to divide this whole side by 5. 5's will cancel out and give me y equals negative 4 over 5x minus 6, because 30 divided by 5 is 6. Which makes your slope negative 4/5 and makes your y-intercept negative 6. Okay? Again, just solving for y. Okay, that's really all we're focused on this first part. So if you would, sorry about that, if you would do the even numbers on this first page, let's go 4, 6, and 8. Go ahead and pause, and then you can hit play whenever you're ready. Okay, there's your answers for sorry, hold on just a second. Computer's wanting to freeze on me. There we go. Okay. 4, 6, and 8. Okay. Now, if we just look at these last couple, okay, you're welcome to practice these. Okay, at the end of the video, I can put the answers up for 9 through 12 if you want some more practice. Okay. Given the graphs, determine the equation that best represents the line shown on the graph. Okay, so we need to convert these answers to slope-intercept form to find out which one matches the line. Okay, so first I'm going to identify my y-intercept and my slope. So my slope is going to be, so it looks like I can use this point and this point. So it's going to be 1/3. Okay, my y-intercept is going to be -2. So my slope-intercept form should be 1/3 x minus 2. Okay, so you're going to have to solve each one to figure out which one is which. Okay, so if we go through and solve this first one, say, so we do minus x on both sides. It's going to give us 3y equals -x minus 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. That's going to be y equals -1/3 x minus 2. So see, I know that doesn't work because the slope doesn't match. It's a negative slope instead of a positive. Okay, so we'll go through and try the next one. Minus x minus x. Give us -3y equals negative x plus 6, and then divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. That's going to give us y equals 1/3 x minus 2. That one works, so I know it's B. Okay, so you can go through and do 14 and 15. And then once you get done with those, if you want to go back and do the others, you can. Then I'm going to say that you can go ahead and get started on the assignment that goes along with this. If you just scroll down a little bit more on your attachment, it should be those last 2 pages. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, have a good day. I'll do 14 and 15 for you so you can check.